What's up guys, Petrol Juice back here again, just with another quick video. In a few of my other videos for the Forte GT, I use this company called Auxito for the turn signal lights, reverse lights, license plate lights. Really great company. I love the products and I've been using them on a few of my other cars. And luckily they've actually reached out to me and sent me a pair of LED turn signal lights for another one of my cars. It's a Subaru Forester here. And these are their LED turn signal lights for their tail lights and their front turn signal lights as well. So you could actually see it right here. It's super bright. I have it on my Forte GT, had it on a few other of my cars. They're fantastic. They're code free. I'm actually gonna have a link down in the description below so you can get 15% off your next order. And they have literally almost every car you can imagine. But I would just want to run through the product and show you exactly how easy it is to install, specifically this time on a Subaru Forester, if that's what you have. And let's get to it. It's really easy. It should take you like 10-15 minutes max. Just need a Phillips screwdriver if you have a 2019 and forward, and a 10mm ratchet, and that's about it. Let's get started. All right guys, so this is a 2019 Subaru Forester. I've already did one of the sides, as you can tell right here. There's a huge difference between the LED and the regular halogens. Every single one of my cars, I need to change to LEDs. I just hate the way the halogens look. When you switch to LEDs, it makes it look 100% newer. That's just my opinion. But we're gonna start with the rear signal lights first. All you're gonna need to do is get your Phillips, turn this out a little bit. It's gonna feel very loose, and it'll pop out like that little screw. Just take it out. Both of them like that. A little bit of dirty here. Then this plastic piece comes off. Just like that. Then you're gonna gain access to two Phillips or 10mm screws. I prefer to use the 10mm ratchet since you don't risk stripping the Phillips hole. So it's as easy as just loosening it up. One screw out. Second screw out. Next thing you're gonna do, just loosen everything up, since it's been a few years since this probably has even been opened. Just some of like the rubber adheres to the body a little bit. And just pull it out like so. There's this little hinge here. You just pull that and pull the plug out. Now you have complete access to the housing. To get to the turn signal, it's super easy. Just turn it to the left. Just like that. Ooh, that's hot. Woo! That was burning hot. But anyways, just go ahead and pull it out. Just like that. Put it to the side. That was really hot. Get your new LEDs. Again, these are in the description below. You get 15% off using the code PETROLJUICE. It'll be pasted down there below. Let's go ahead and plug it right in. Just shove it right in. It'll click. Don't be afraid to push it. Put it right back into the housing. Make sure the locks here line up with the holes. Then all you do, turn it to the right till it locks, just like so. Make sure it's a complete nice seal, and just do the whole process in reverse, and that's it. All right, let's turn the hazards on, check them out. That's a huge difference. So we're gonna move on to the front let's check that out. I don't like them. Let's change them. All right, so the front is way easier than the rear. The awesome thing about Subaru is that they have literally everything on display, so you could reach literally anything you want. So if you look down here, the turn signal light is towards the left side, so therefore our turn signal bulb that we need to reach is right here. This one right here. So all you do is the same thing as the rear. There's nothing really to unscrew. Twist it to the left, pull it out. Still a little hot, of course. Pull out the old bulb. We're going to take our new bulbs out. It doesn't matter what which one you use. They're both perfectly fine. And just plug it right back in. Just like so. And follow the same orientation we did in the back. Line up the holes correctly. And it locks in. All right. Do the same thing on the other side. And it's just that simple. Let me show you and compare how they both look. I like it. Let's do the other one. And just like that, the front is done. Way easier than the rear. Let's close it up, look all around, and see how it looks. And just like that, fully LED, baby. It looks way better. This is the car for my wonderful baby mama and my wonderful daughter. So now they're nice and safe. LEDs, nice and bright, everyone can see it. I wish the Forte GT was this simple, because it took me like half an hour just to do the rears. But yeah, link is down in the description below. 15% off petrol juice, just use that. And Auxito has been a great company so far. That's why I wanted to make a video on it and show you guys exactly how easy it is to put LEDs in. And I'm just going to continue using them on all my cars. LED, license plate lights, turn signal lights, reverse lights, you name it. Check you guys out in the next video. Peace!